Yes, Andrew. So we are in Tsakani, where we have spoken to a family that is affected by this lapsing of the contract between, it's actually municipalities as well as funeral parlours, where the funeral parlours do provide burial services for indigent people, those who cannot afford their own burials. And so when that death happens, then families fill out particular forms, send them to the municipality, and then the municipality sends those forms or appoints one of their undertakers to conduct that burial. This family that we spoke to, she was a lady who was pregnant at 8 months, started experiencing pain. That child was stillborn. This was on the 27th of June. And in the process of having to deal with what happens afterwards, they did go to their local customer care center, started filling out those forms. They then returned the following day because they hadn't filled out all the forms on the day of. Came back the following day, and then they say that officials at that local municipal office told them rather, that they had received an email to tell them that the contract between the municipality as well as funeral parlours had lapsed, and so they would not be able to continue with burial processes. And they said that then the last time they heard from officials, because officials did follow up with them, was on the 17th of July. So last week, the municipality did follow up with them. But essentially, that was the last time they heard from them. And they have still not buried that child who was born at 8 months for this young lady. So they are still waiting. And they say that, all of us in the house are unemployed. It's a family, it's an elderly mother as well as her children, about 6 children. They are all unemployed. One of them lost their job during COVID. Others have not been able to find unemployment. And so they are not able to raise the funds themselves to bury this child. They also say that, they have funeral covers or funeral policies, but those funeral policies are saying if you want us to assist you with the burial, you need to pay us 10,000 Rand up front. So it's just basically running around and not having the means to bury. And so more than 3 weeks later, coming up to a month, Andrew, they are still waiting to bury this little bit.